Hello! In this video I set up PIXMA and connect to Wi-Fi. Here are the online manuals, as this model is very similar to TS3400 series, for which you can find my product review video in the upper right corner of the screen. In this video I install the inks and connect the PIXMA to my local Wi-Fi network using Canon PRINT App. After I have unboxed the printer and removed all orange materials, I unpack the inks. The black cartridge is called PG, which stands for pigment, and it means that this ink is water resistant and prints higher quality on the plain office paper. I set up the new printer in this video and turned it on for the first time. The printer is now ready for inks to be installed. Next, I use Canon Print App to connect the printer to my local Wi-Fi network. Follow the steps. If the Wi-Fi icon on the display is not blinking, then you need to press and hold the connect button for 3 seconds and release to put the printer in the hotspot mode, and then follow the procedure. My smart device already knows the Wi-Fi password, so I just confirm to select my network called Home. You may need to wait longer than I show in this video. A minute later, my printer is connected to Wi-Fi network and registered to the Canon Print App. Before my first print, I set some paper to the rear tray. Every time the paper is inserted, I can select the paper size on the device display and confirm with OK. I print one of my usual test prints. Before printing, let me remind about the online manuals and section Get the Most Out of Your Printer. You can get more information about your printer and also about other apps and software compatible with this model. I put information on the screen. Finally, I print from the mobile. And to find more about connectivity for this printer, check the video on access point mode direct connection and more about network information in the upper right corner of the screen. And that would be all in this video. Find more about PIXMA TS series printers in the playlist on my channel. You can subscribe or donate to support my channel so I can create more content in the future. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!